How to fix iMessage activation error on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and check Apple's iMessage server and ensure iMessage and FaceTime server status are not down. If yes, then you might have to wait for a few minutes for the server to work again. Also, make sure you are connected to a proper working Wi-Fi or a stable mobile data, and if not, then you can go ahead and switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Also, in settings, tap on general and then on date and time and make sure the toggle button for set automatically is toggled on. See if your issue is fixed or not, and if not, then in settings again, scroll down to the bottom and you will see the option for apps. Tap on that and then tap on the messages option and then go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for iMessage. Now, wait 30 seconds and then go ahead and toggle on the toggle button for iMessage again. See if your issue is fixed or not, and if not, then tap on the send and receive option you see there and make sure your Apple ID or phone number is listed here. And if your issue is still not fixed, then go ahead and restart your iPhone, as a simple restart can reset network and system services. And if your issue is still not fixed, then it might be due to your carrier settings, as iMessage activation sometimes sends a silent international SMS to Apple server. So you can ask your carrier if international SMS is supported and enabled. If not, then you can also go ahead and try to reset network settings. So in settings again, tap on general and then on transfer or reset iPhone and then on reset and then on reset network settings. Enter your passcode and reset your network settings and then reconnect to Wi-Fi and try activating again. And if not, then in settings again, tap on general and then on software update and make sure your iPhone is updated to its latest version. And if your issue is still not fixed, then the last resort is you might have to contact Apple support or reach out to your mobile carrier service center for further assistance. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix iMessage activation error. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.